My name is Gavin, and I'm a storyteller. I tell stories to adults and to children, and I am a coach. I coach adults and children in finding their voice through stories. So I'm teaching a fundamentals workshop on storytelling for children between 7 and 8-year-old, where they're going to discover how good they are communicating their ideas. Basically, learning how to structure your speech is learning how to structure a story. We are all born wired to understand and focus on stories. So if you can talk, you've got your audience engaged. Here at HCAC, we believe in building confident speakers. So we focus on a social theme to help children learn how to advocate for themselves as well as for others. We focus as well on what are we doing well, what are ourselves doing well, and what are others doing well, so we can build up on our skills from there. Storytelling is fun, so have your children come and join me for a fun afternoon doing a storytelling workshop. I look forward to meeting your child.